Hello everyone. Today I have with me Bhavya Modi. Bhavya is a 12th pass out this year with commerce stream, studied at Shishukuj International School in Indore, and is joining IIM Rohtak this year for his integrated program in management, the 5-year IPM. Today we'll talk about his experience, the interview experience at IIM Rohtak. Hi Bhavya.
Hi sir.
So, before you really get into details of what happened in your interview, just give us an overview of how was it like? Was it how many of you were shortlisted for interview?
From our coaching, I remember around 15 students were shortlisted for the interview.
No. Overall, how many did I am not
Around 330 students were shortlisted from all those who appeared for the IPMAT exam, IPMAT Rohtak.
And you were in those 330 from across India in the general category.
Yes, sir. No, not the general, the combined around
Okay.
330 students were shortlisted.
Okay. And what was this online interview?
Online interview.
Online.
Around 7 to 10 minutes it lasted.
7 to 10 minutes. And how many panelists were there?
Two panelists were there, one male and one female.
Okay. So what do you? I mean, you could judge from their body language or their appearance. They were professors or they were professionals.
I guess they were professors at the campus, at the institution. They were already faculty. I guess. Not very sure about this.
So I mean, before the start of the interview, how was the process? You were told how you have to log in and
A day or two before we had this email regarding the instructions how we have to log in, and on the day of the interview we logged in before we were asked to log in before 30 minutes. So around at 1 p.m. we joined the meeting, and till 1:30 there weren't any instructions, and we were still in the waiting room. Around 1:30 certain instructor of there entered and told us that chance by chance we were divided into groups, and we were told that chance by chance the panelists would let us into the room. So it was around till 2:30. I remember around 2:30 my number came and I entered into the room, and then the interview.
That would have been jittery. That 1 hour.
Yeah, that one I was very nervous,
Yeah.
and I was constantly remembering what I had to say.
Okay. But this year they made you speak extempore, right?
Yeah, this year we had extempore.
And that was a pre-declared thing.
No, it was like they might or might
That
not.
was a part of the interview.
Yeah, it might happen. We just had this.
So I guess you were the first thing you were asked to do was an extempore.
Yeah, since the interview began, initially we had this document verification, and just after that, we were told that you will be given a topic and you will have to speak on that impromptu. So the same thing happened with me. I was given the topic of New Education Policy 2020, and I had like around 30 seconds to think on that, and then afterwards I was told that the time began.
So you were aware of
Yeah,
the
I
meeting?
was aware of the whole thing, and yeah, it went pretty good.
So what were the guidelines? How many you had to speak for half a minute?
1 minute.
What was the guideline? 1 minute
You
extempore
had to speak.
and 30 seconds to think.
Like they told us you could take your time to think, and after around 30 seconds or 1 minute, they asked us to be handled.
So this was like well begun.
Yeah, started with.
Great. How did it progress there on?
After the extempore, they asked my stream in 11th and 12th which stream I chose, and on the basis of the stream, they asked my favorite subject, and there were 5 to 6 academic questions on the same. After these,
So you which subject did you mention?
I had taken the stream of commerce, so I mentioned economics as my favorite subject.
So why did you mention economics? Why not accountancy? Why not
We
business?
had this thing, the trainers here at CHS Makers told us that academics would be a part of the interview, so you have to be well versed with your 11th and 12th curriculum. So a day or two before only I started with my curriculum preparation, and I just got very minimum of time to prepare for academics, so I chose economics, and a day or two before I prepared economics.
So you had sort of revised economics.
Yeah.
how did this part of the interview go when they asked you some 4-5 questions on economics?
I was able to answer 3 or 4 of them. I remember 1 or 2 questions I wasn't able to answer, and yeah, it was like average. I wouldn't rate it as good, but yeah, I was still confident and was hoping that this was a part of.
Actually, I wanted to ask this because we believe that in interview, question and its answer is important, but that's not the only thing.
Yeah, like
In those 5 questions, when you had 1 or 2 questions you weren't able to answer,
yeah.
what was your feeling and what was your body communicating? Did you feel like showing reduced confidence at that
No,
point of time? Or did you sort of feel bad? Oh my God, मुझे ये question नहीं आ रहा है.
I was very calm and in my ability I answered that. As of now, I don't remember, and I was pretty confident while answering this. So they also took it pretty easily and moved on to the next question. And again, I was able to answer the next one. So I was confident.
And how were they behaving? I mean, was this a stress interview or the panel
No.
was very cooperative?
They were very
friendly?
cooperative and they gave time to think about
Okay.
and even after I'm not answering, so they took on to the next question and again they were very cooperative and allowed me to take my time and give the answer.
So I think this is a sum of 3 parameters that kept on adding to your confidence.
Yes.
1, you as a person are a confident person.
And that was the most important
2,
thing.
the training that you received, you were told that confidence is
Yeah,
important.
even if
And
you-
that feeling of being prepared. So
Yeah,
that
even
added
if
to
you don't
confidence.
get to answer any question or you don't know the answer of any question,
It's
be
Yeah.
calm and confidently answer that you don't know the answer. That would have huge impact on the panelists.
And third, obviously, the panelists were encouraging,
Yeah.
so that added to
That
confidence.
was
Fantastic. So, what happened after that small round of questions on economics? How did they change the direction?
After that, they moved on to asking some general awareness questions, such as they asked me certain ministers' names, certain cabinet ministers' names were asked to me. After that, I remember they asked me to tell anything about myself, which I wanted to tell them. So I remember telling them that I was a former NCC cadet and I was a professional badminton player. So I mentioned these 2 features of mine, and yeah, we had been told before the interview that you have to take the interview in that direction which you want it to be taken, and it's a very
These are like open-ended questions, so you have the choice to decide.
you have the choice, and yeah, you also told that
You took badminton.
Yeah.
as a direction. Because that was your forte.
Yeah, and we were told that the hobbies which you mentioned, you should have a pretty good knowledge about them. So I was well versed with the subject or the core knowledge of badminton as well as NCC. So I was well prepared with that. And fortunately, the panelists got involved with badminton and started cross questioning on that. And since I was able to answer on those pointers, I was very confident after the interview that I have a pretty good chance of to convert this thing.
Fantastic. So how did they continue after badminton or?
First of
That
all,
was more or less it.
when I mentioned about NCC and badminton, they asked me to verify through certificates. So I showed them the certificates, the level till which I have played, and afterwards they started interacting on badminton and they asked certain 5 to 6 questions on deep knowledge about the game, and yeah, I was able to answer all of them. And after that, I think this was the last thing they in the interview, and after that it just ended, and they also seemed pretty comfortable with my answers, so I was also happy.
You
and
could read on their
yeah,
face that
they
were-
looked satisfied with my answers afterwards, so I was pretty confident that it had gone in my favor.
Great, good.
Thank you.
Done well. Brought name for yourself and your family.
Definitely. Thank you.
All the best to you.
Thank you.